this is my room before starting the cleaning up exercise. Yes, can see how lovely outside looks, and the place is so dry this morning. So yes, I'm taking advantage of the weather. So yes, see how the room is super dirty, and even my bathhouse. So I'm going to clean everything. Let me check myself out in the mirror as usual. So yes, I'm going to clean everywhere in here, and then my room as well, and I'm going to take you guys along. Let's get started. So first of all, I want to clear everything on my shelf. I want the shelf to be very clear. Nothing should be seated there. So I brought this with me from, when I was coming from Ghana. The airline gave this to me, and I've been keeping it. I've been in this country for almost 3 months, and I'm still keeping it. Can you imagine? So let's get rid of them. Okay, let's throw them away because I'm sure it's expired by now. So yes, I'm trying to clear everything on the shelf. Make sure it's as clear as possible because I don't want things packing around or knocking about. So yes, I'm only leaving this soap there. Yeah, so that's my washing soap. I'm just putting it there because I don't want to mix it with any other thing, because the place is clear and this soap is just sitting here by itself. So I'm going to wipe everywhere here. So yes, let's wipe. So I'm trying as much as possible to dust everywhere and everything. I don't know, my mom always said that it's not advisable to take dirty clothes or dirty place or dirty surrounding in general to the next year. So since the year will be ending soon, I want to make sure everywhere around me is sparkling, and that I want to enter the new year with sparkling room. Yes, so enough of the dusting. Let's go get the staff to come clean the dirt from on the ground. I don't know how that is called. So yes, I went to get this, and I'm coming to clean the floor and remove any dirt or dust or whatever on the floor. So let's plug it in. Let's get started. This floor cleaner makes life much more easier. Yes, you just connect it and then you plug it, you switch it on, and then that's it. It will take every dust from the floor. So yes, it made the work simpler for me. So imagine if I was using maybe brush or something to brush the rug, it would have taken forever. Yeah, but this one makes work much more easier. It will help you to finish faster. So see how clean the floor is. I made sure I removed any other dirt from the floor, any other dirt or whatever on the floor that I don't want. I cleared it off. So yes, let's clear this side as well and make sure everywhere is clean and sparkling. So yes guys, I'm almost done, as you can see, because the room isn't big. it's just a normal student room. So yes, I'm removing all of my shoes to also clean under them, because as I said, I'm not entering into the new year with any form of dirt anyway. So wherever the dirt is, I'm going to look for it and clear it off, just as you just saw me do. So yes, I'm literally done. I'm just going over it for some seconds, and yeah, let's take it back to the kitchen. There's a spot in the kitchen that we place it. So yeah, let's go put it back there. And then it's time for the bathhouse, guys. So I bought this one purposely for my mirrors. Yes, I want to use it to wipe every mirror that I have in my room. I actually have 3 mirrors. The one I'm standing in front of, the one just by my right hand side, and there's one in the room itself. So yes, let's wipe it, let it be sparkling. Like clean mirror makes the bathhouse looks nice, but if the mirror is dirty, it gives it that kind of foggy look. Yeah, so yeah, let's clean everywhere and make sure our mirrors are sparkling. So yeah, after washing the mirror, I'm going to clean the sink. Yeah, it's very important to clean the sink because we usually brush our teeth inside, and I don't know, some people, when you enter their place and you smell that kind of sour saliva, oh my days. So yeah, actually whenever I brush my teeth, I clean it. I don't wait for days like this to clean it. Yeah, but since I'm doing general cleaning, I also want to scrub it and scrub the walls, so that in case of anything around, you can easily clear it off for the bathhouse to smell really good. Let me admire myself small. Work and happiness. So yes, I'm cleaning everywhere, making sure it's neat. So let's clean the water closet as well. So I usually just pour in some of my shower gel, and I use the brush and just scrub inside. And I use the same shower gel on the sponge and clean the seats and everywhere there, so that it will smell good and that it will be hygienic. So basically that's just what I'm doing to give my bathhouse that sparkling view and smell. So see how sparkling it is. So let's wash the bathhouse itself. So this is my soapy water that I made, and that's what I'm going to be using to scrub. As you can see, I'm scrubbing all of the walls, the floors, everywhere. Like if you enter my bathhouse, you can literally eat salad in there, because yes, it's supposed to be sparkling. I mean, yeah, and it's right in my room too, so I have no option than to make it super clean. So yes guys, I'm enjoying myself. You all are invited. Okay guys, I'm literally done. As you can see, my bathhouse is sparkling, and oh my days, the smell from it is wonderful. So yes, I literally used 15 minutes to clean everywhere. So time to pack my clothes inside the closet, and I've arranged my dirty clothes on my bed. Those clothes you are looking at are dirty, and I'm going to be taking it to the laundry this afternoon. So yes, I just want to arrange things in my closet so that it will be packed and clear. And then after that, I'm going to get all those clothes that you see inside the bag, and then I take it to the laundry. The laundry isn't that far from my room, so it's not really big of a deal. I actually ordered for a laundry bag, but then it's not in yet. I ordered for it from Temu, but it's not in yet. So I might probably get it by the close of today or tomorrow or the day after. So I don't want to wait for it before doing this video. So you will see me packing it in my school bag. Yes, so next time when it's in, then I'll be using that one rather instead of the school bag, because the school bag is a bit small, so all might not fit. Yes, but the laundry bag is a bit bigger. I mean, according to the picture that I saw, it was a bit bigger. I hope that when it comes, it should look the way it looked before I bought it. So yeah, basically I'm packing everything and praying that everything fits into this small bag so that I can take it to the laundry and just wash it out. So as I predicted earlier, this bag is really small for the clothes, so I cannot even close the bag. So let me get another bag and put more clothes in it. And another thing to I usually like to when I'm washing, I usually like to get a lot of dirty clothes before I wash, because you'll be spending almost let's say £6 per one circle, both washing and drying. So you cannot take the clothes there small. So I usually keep it for it to get plenty, then I go wash them, because the washer is big, it's spacious, so it can take a lot at a go. Just that you don't have to mix up your white and your colorful ones, but if it's not that white or something like that, you could mix them. So yes, let me wear my coat so that we can start going, because outside is cold. Another thing I've realized is you cannot go out without wearing shoes, guys, no matter what. I can't go outside with slippers because the weather is not predictable. It can change at any time and it's cold, so it's just a stone throw, but I have to dress up like I'm going far away, but I'm not far. So yes, I'm done with everything. Let's get going. So guys, come along, let's go and wash. Okay, so right now I'm praying that I should get an empty washer to be able to wash my things, because sometimes the place gets full, crowded. So yes, the laundry isn't far from me. I'm just right behind there, and the laundry is just some few seconds away from me, so it's actually just a stone throw. Yeah, so let's go guys, I'm bringing you along. Okay, See, I want you to also see my neighborhood. Like today the place is so dry. Sometimes it gets so wet, like it's always raining. Since I've been here, it's like every day it rains, and sometimes it gets so dry. So yes, we are almost there. That's the laundry that you are literally looking at. So yes, finally I am here, and let's enter. Okay guys, so this is my laundrette, and I want to give you guys a quick tour. So yes, they do have these machines that with snacks in them that you can easily put in coin and get whatever snack it is that you want. I'll have to try this one day, and the snacks looks amazing. They also have the side for drinks as well. So yes, they have chairs here that you can sit whilst you wait for your things to wash. So those are the washers and the dryers. So as you can see, some are occupied, but there are some that are free. So yes, I'm happy. So I usually like to use this one. So luckily for me, it is empty. Nobody is using it. So I'm happy. I'm quickly coming to put my things in it before somebody come and take it. So yes guys, let's set the camera and pack our stuffs in it. Okay, let's get it. So before I use the machine, I usually like to clean inside, whether it's the washer or the dryer. I clean inside because it seems somebody used it not long ago, and the soap, like there's particles from the soap and the rest. So I'm taking it, cleaning it before I put my things in. So this is the soap that I'm going to be using. It makes the clothes smell so good. So it's actually soap mixed with after wash. Yeah, so I'll put it there first, then I put my clothes on top of it. So I'm going to be needing 2 for now. Then after putting all of my clothes in, I'll put 1 on top of it. So as I said, the washer is big enough to contain all of these clothes that I brought. In fact, there will still be space when I'm done packing everything in, because it's really big. It can literally even wash a duvet for you. So you can imagine, like king size duvet. So it's big. So let's pack everything inside and allow it to wash for us. Okay, yes, it's literally going to take 30 minutes to wash. I love how fast it takes to wash your things. Before you know it, even the 30 minutes, I don't think it's the normal 30 minutes. So yeah. Okay guys, so whilst the things are washing, let's continue our tour. Yes, I want to take you guys around. So you can literally pay for your laundry here, or you can use an app. I love to use the app because I think it's faster. I don't know if I should just sit down and wait, because 30 minutes it will come right now. It's not even the normal 30 minutes. But yeah, I think I'll just go back inside and relax on my bed. So yeah, once it's done washing, the app will alert you. So that's our dustbin. Any dirt, maybe you took a snack, you had a snack there, you can put your rubbish in there. So the dryers are up and the washers are down. So basically that's it. Let's go relax in my room and on my bed. So yes, that's it guys. I'm leaving. I'm going to rest more. Once it's ready, as I said earlier, the app is going to alert me that my things are done, and then I'll come take it and put it inside the dryer. So yeah, this is our rubbish collection site. So yeah guys, I am going back to my hostel. See you guys soon. Please don't forget to subscribe to join this family. Give this video a big thumbs up. It's really windy here today. So guys, I just received a message that my things are done. Yes, the 30 minutes is done, like very short time like this. So I'm on my way to collect, like try to transfer from the washer to the dryer. Yes, so as you can see, I can now open the washer to be able to take my things, and I usually like to use the dryer right on top of it, dryer 3, because I think it's easier to transfer from the washer down here to the dryer directly above it, you see. So yes, thank God nobody was using it. So as usual, I'm cleaning the dryer before using it, so that if you don't clean it and you just put your things there to dry it, by the time it's done drying, I can you see the things then that is on the broom that I'm using? It will get on the clothes, so you have to remove it unless your clothes will get dirty, honestly. So yes, let's transfer. And transferring it, I didn't want the things to fall on the floor, guys, but then it seems I couldn't really, you know, stop it totally, but at least I tried. Most of it didn't really fall. I think it was just the socks that fell. The rest I was able to transfer successfully, guys. So yeah, you see why I like to use the dryer directly above it. Imagine if I was using a dryer that is like a bit far away from me. How will you just transfer? It to be a bit difficult, so it's best to use the one directly above you. So yes, let's start drying, and the drying is going to take 60 minutes, guys. 60 minutes just to dry. I think the drying takes time too much compared to washing. The washing was just 30 minutes and drying 60 minutes. So yeah, as I said earlier, the dryers are the one on top, and as you can see, my things are drying. So let's go. Since it's taking 60 minutes, it's like forever. So this one, I'm going home to go relax, eat something, and probably take a nap, because 60 minutes is pretty long, an hour. Can you imagine? Okay guys, so the app just prompted me that my things are dried and that I should come for them. So as you can see, I'm on my way going for them. And guess what? It's dark, but it's not late. It is literally 4. Once it's 4 here in the UK, it gets dark. So yeah, I'm here already. Let's enter and let's go get those dried clothes. So yeah, that's why it's dark, but it's not late. Yes. So yeah, my things are dried, as you can see. So I can now open the door and remove my stuff. So let's check them out together, guys. So yeah, ta-da! They are dried. They even feel warm. You see why you need to clean the place? Those things over there can get on your clothes. So she always clean the dryer before you use them. So yes, my things are all dried. They are warm. And now I'm coming to pack them. Let's set the camera and pack them. So yes, we can pack them now. So I am going to fold the clothes one after the other. Yes, and I realize that if you don't fold them before packing them, your things will get crumpled, and I don't want them to get crumpled, meaning you have to iron them before you wear it. Yeah, so I usually take my time and fold them one after the other and pack them nicely into whatever bag I have. So first of all, you shake it. After you've taken it from the dryer, you shake it thoroughly, so if there's any dirt on it, it will drop off, and fold them nicely and pack them into your bag. And another thing too, if I don't fold them, because the bag is small, it might not be able to carry them all. So that's why I'm taking my time in folding them. So that I'm folding them for 2 reasons: so that it wouldn't get crumpled and that it will be able to fit the bag. Okay, so if you've watched till this far, thank you so much. That's a huge support. I'm really grateful. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, or if you did learn anything at all, or if you found it entertaining. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to join the family, and kindly turn on your notification bell, so anytime I post a new video, you get notified and you come watch them for my sake. Thank you once again, and you can also share the video. Thank you once again for reaching this far, for the support. I'm really grateful, and yeah, hope you did enjoy it all, guys. It's not easy. So once I'm done packing everything, folding them one after the other and packing them nicely into my bag, I'm just going to put my bag on my back. This is funny, my bag on my back. Yeah, so I'll just put my bag on my back. Hey, what am I saying? So yeah, basically I'm just checking to see if I've taken everything. I don't want to leave anything in there. Once I'm done with it, I'll just put my bag on my back, as you can see, and then we'll close the dryer nicely and just pick out my other bag sitting on the floor, and I head home. So thank you guys. Bye.